And trot. Good. Now, open your body, eyes up at the horizon, up into your canter, sinking in. Good. Hands down low. Open shoulders. Tap. Good. Same thing. As you take from the inside, you give a little bit from the outside, but support it from leg. Good. So he just feels like his top line, he's floating. Good. Good. Little tap. Good. Down to your trot. Balance. Good. Good. And organize, and one more transition. Don't race into it. Just sink in. Hands down. Watch you're not rushing into it. Good. Good. Give from that inside. Beautiful. There you go. Good. Open your left shoulder a little bit, your outside shoulder, so you're sitting square, sinking in. Good. Good. Supporting those outside eights as you come through the turn, making sure you keep them right between your eights. Good. Giving a little bit from the inside rein, but supporting inside leg. Yes. Very good. Nice. And down to your trot. That's the way. Good. And walk. Good.